If Roblox voice chat isn't working for you, don't worry, there are a few quick fixes that usually solve it. First, make sure you're over 30 and your ID is verified in Roblox. Without that, voice chat just won't turn on. Go to settings, then privacy, and check if the voice chat toggle is there. Next, check your microphone settings. On Windows, open sound settings and make sure the right mic is set as default. On Mac, go into system preferences and give Roblox permissions to use the mic. If it's still not working, try disabling and re-enabling voice chat inside Roblox. Sometimes it needs a reset. Also check your internet connection. Weak connections can cause your voice not to transmit even if the feature is on. And lastly, if none of that works, update Roblox or reinstall. Sometimes outdated versions just don't play well with voice servers. So yeah, verify your age, check your mic permission, reset voice chat, and update the game. That usually gets you back talking with friends in no time. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.